Hello dear students. Today we will start with question number 3 from exercise 7.1. Let us go to the question. Find the smallest number by which the following numbers must be divided to get a perfect cube. It is similar to question number 2. Only differences in the question number 2 it should be multiplied. Here it is to be divided. Procedure is the same. Let us start first factorizing them into their prime factors. So 81 not divisible by 2. So start with 3, 27, 3, 9, 3, 1. So let us write 81 is equal to 1, 2, 3. 3 cube into 3. Here we have a cube number, and what is extra here? This number is extra, so we need to remove it. How will we remove? Divide by 3. So 81 must be divided by 3 to get a perfect cube. Similarly here, when we divide by 2, we get 64, 2, 32, 2, 16, 8, 4, 2, 1. See here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So 128 is equal to 2 cube into 2 cube into 2. So what is extra here? These two factors are cubes. What is extra? 2. So 128 must be divided by 2 to get a perfect cube. Now 135. You see not divisible by 2. So check it with 3. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. So let us divide by 3. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 50. Again by 3. 1, 5. 3 fives are 50. So 5 ones are 5. So we get 135 is equal to 3 cube multiplied by 5. So what is the extra factor here? 5. So we need to remove 5. So 135 must be divided by which number? 5 to get a perfect cube. Now the next number is 192. It is divisible by 2. So 9 2s are 18. 9 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Now by 2, 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. Again by 2, 24. By 2, 12. Again by 2, 6. Again by 2, 3. And by 3, 1. So you see 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 192 is equal to 2 cube into 2 cube into 3. What is the extra factor here? 3. So 192 must be divided by 3 to get a perfect cube. The next question is 704. So let us divide by 2. 352. Again by 2. 176. 88. Again by 2. 44. By 2. 22. Now see here. This is equal to 2 raised to 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That is 2 cube into 2 cube into 11. So the extra factor is 11. So 704 should be divided by 11. 704 must be divided by 11 to get a perfect cube. The next question is question number 4. Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of side 5 cm, 2 cm and 5 cm. How many such cuboids does he need to make a cube? What is the main difference between cube and cuboid? Cuboid has different length, breadth and height. It's not compulsory that for a cuboid length, breadth and height to be same. It can have different length, breadth and height. But for cube, all its dimensions, that is length, breadth and height must be the same. So from cuboid to make a cube, what all changes we need to make? Let us see the dimensions of the cuboid. What is the dimensions of cuboid, or you can say the length of cuboid is 5 cm, breadth is also 5 cm and the height of cuboid is 2 cm. Now, if you keep one on the top of the other, one cuboid on top of the other or on the side when you adjust to make a cube, how many cuboids are needed? That means this is the dimension. Okay. So, the volume of the cuboid is 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 2. Is this the cube? No, this is not a cube, it is a cuboid. Now, how to make it a cube? Or if you want to convert this number into a cube, what do you need? What do you need? Here we have 1, 2 times 5. So, you need one more 5. Similarly, here you have only 1, 2. So, you need how many 2's? 1, 2. So, if you multiply this complete cuboid, how many times? 5 into 2 into 2 times. Means if you take this many cuboids and arrange them, then you will get a cube. Okay. So, how many cuboids are needed? See, to make this a perfect cube, how many cuboids are needed? So, number of cuboids needed to make a cube is equal to, how to make this a cube, that is how many 1 5 we need and how many 2's we need? 2 into 2. So how many cuboids are needed? 5 4's are 20 cuboids. What do we have to think? How to make this into a cube. Okay, that's all for today. In the next video, we will discuss the next exercise. Thank you.